Have you ever wondered what fuels your brain's health and cognition? The answer is omega-3 fatty acids. These essential nutrients play a vital role in brain function and overall well-being. Today, we'll explore affordable vegetarian sources of omega-3s for brain health. Let's delve into the fascinating world of omega-3s and their role in maintaining brain health. Omega-3s are a group of essential fats, the key ones being ALA, DHA, and EPA. ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid, is a plant-based omega-3 that our bodies partially convert into DHA and EPA. DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid, plays a significant role in the structure and function of our brains. EPA, or eicosapentaenoic acid, helps with cellular function and reduces inflammation. All three are crucial for maintaining brain health. Now, how can we get these crucial omega-3s from vegetarian sources? Let's find out. From tiny seeds to plant oils, nature offers a variety of budget-friendly vegetarian sources of omega-3s. Let's start with seeds: flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds. These miniature powerhouses are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a type of omega-3 that your body can convert into brain-boosting DHA and EPA. They are not just affordable, but also easy to include in your diet. Sprinkle them in your smoothie, atop your salad, or stir them into your morning oatmeal. Moving on to oils, flaxseed oil and canola oil are excellent plant-based sources of ALA. You can use these oils in cooking or drizzle them over your salads. But what if you're looking for a direct source of DHA? There's an option for that too. Plant-based DHA supplements derived from algae offer a direct source of this important omega-3. They're not only affordable, but also easy to find online or in health food stores. Now, on to budget-friendly meal ideas. Imagine starting your day with a smoothie enriched with flax seeds or chia seeds, or sprucing up your salad with a sprinkle of hemp seeds. Shopping for omega-3 rich foods doesn't have to strain your budget. Look out for sales, buy in bulk, and prioritize versatile ingredients. As you can see, embracing a brain-healthy diet doesn't have to break the bank. Let's sum up what we've learned about affordable vegetarian sources of omega-3s for brain health. From flax seeds to chia seeds, hemp seeds, and plant-based oils, there are plenty of budget-friendly options. Remember, your brain deserves the best fuel. So why not give these vegetarian sources of omega-3s a try?